Hello class, we're going to practice more with coins. Coins. How much is this? It's a penny. 1 cent. 1 cent. 1 cent. How much is this? 1 cent. Repeat. How much? How, like how are you? That's with H. How? Much. And then CH together sounds like ch. Much. This is a terrible C. Let me fix that. There, it's a little better. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? 1 cent. How much is this? So I have a penny and a penny. 2 pennies. 2 cents. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 cents. 2 cents. How much is this? 2 cents. How much is this? This is a nickel. A nickel. 5 cents. 5 cents. 5 cents. How much is this? So here is a nickel, so that's 5 cents. Here is a penny, 1 cent. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 cents. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 cents. 6 cents. Or I can write it like this. 6 cents. How much is this? So I have a nickel and a nickel. 2 nickels. 5 cents and 5 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 cents. 10 cents. How much is this? 10 cents. How much is this? Look, this says 1 dime. D-I-M-E. Dime. This is the little one, the little coin. 1 dime. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents. How much is this? A dime and a dime. 2 dimes, 2 little coins. So this is 10 cents and 10 cents. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 cents. How much is this? 20 cents. How much is this? Let's see, this is a dime, a dime, a dime. I have 3 dimes. So they are 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. How much is this? 3 dimes. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 30 cents. How much is this? 30 cents. How much is this? This is a dime. I can see D-I-M-E. It is very little. Dime, so that's 10 cents. And this is a penny. A penny is 1 cent. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 cents. 10, a dime, plus 1 penny is 11. 11 cents. How much is this? 11 cents. How much is this? This is a dime. It is the little one. 1 dime, D-I-M-E. This is a nickel. 5 cents. This is 5 cents. This is 10 cents, 5 cents. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10, a dime, plus 5, a nickel. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. How much is this? 15 cents. How much is this? This is the big coin, a quarter. A quarter, 25 cents. A quarter is 25 cents. How much is this? So this is the big one, a quarter. Look, you see quarter on here, quarter dollar, quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter. Quarter is 25 cents. This is a penny, 1 cent. 25 plus 1 is 26 cents. I have a quarter and a penny. 25 cents, quarter, plus 1 penny is what? 26. How much is this? 26 cents. How much is this? So this is a quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter, it's big, 25 cents. This is a nickel. A nickel is 5 cents. So I have 25 plus 5, 25, quarter, plus 5, nickel, is what? 30. How much is this? 30 cents. How much is this? This is a quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter. That's 25 cents. This is very little. This is a dime. It's the little one, 10 cents. 25 plus 10, a quarter, 25, plus a dime, 10, is what? 35. Oops. Uh-oh. How much is this? 35 cents. How much is this? This is a quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter. It's 25. Oh, and a quarter, 25. They are the same. 25 plus 25, 25 plus 25 is what? 50 cents. How much is this? 50 cents. Excuse me, do you have 5 cents? Yes, I do. I have a nickel, 5 cents. Excuse me, do you have 5 cents? Yes, I have a nickel. Excuse me, do you have 5 cents? Yes, I have a nickel. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have 6 cents? Yes, I have a nickel and a penny. 5 cents, 1 cent. 5 plus 1 is 6. I have 6 cents. 6 cents. Yes, I have a nickel and a penny. Excuse me, do you have 6 cents? Yes, I have a nickel and a penny. A nickel and a penny. Excuse me, do you have 6 cents? Yes, I have 6 pennies. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cents. I have 6 pennies. Excuse me, do you have 6 cents? Yes, I have 6 pennies. So you see there are many different forms of 6 cents. 6 pennies, that's okay, 6 cents. Or a nickel and a penny, 6 cents. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have a dime. 10 cents. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have a dime. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have 10 pennies. 1 penny is 1 cent. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cents. I have 10 pennies. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have 10 pennies. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have 2 nickels. Nickel, 5 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. I have 10 cents. I have 2 nickels. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have 2 nickels. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have a nickel. It's 5 cents. And 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 cents. 1 nickel, and 5 pennies. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Yes, I have a nickel and 5 pennies. Excuse me, do you have 20 cents? Yes, I have 2 dimes. Here is a dime. A dime is 10 cents. And a dime, 10 cents. 10 plus 10 is 20. Excuse me, do you have 20 cents? Yes, I have 2 dimes. Excuse me, do you have 20 cents? Yes, I have a dime, 10 cents. That's 10. That's 10 cents. That's the little one, 10 cents. And a nickel, that's 5 cents. And a nickel, 5 cents. So that's 10, it's a dime, plus 5, it's a nickel, plus 5, it's a nickel. 10 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. 20 cents. I have a dime and 2 nickels. Excuse me, do you have 20 cents? Yes, I have a dime and 2 nickels. Dime and 2 nickels. Excuse me, do you have 50 cents? Yes, I have, let's see, I have a dime, that's 10 cents, a dime, 10 cents, a dime, 10 cents, a dime, 10 cents, and a dime, 10 cents. I have a dime, 10, another dime, 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40, plus 10, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dimes. 50 cents. I have 5 dimes. Excuse me, do you have 50 cents? Yes, I have 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dimes. Excuse me, do you have 50 cents? Yes, I have a quarter. Quarter is 25. And a quarter, 2 quarters. 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. 2 quarters. 50 cents. Yes, I have 2 quarters. Excuse me, do you have 50 cents? Yes, I have 2 quarters. So we're going to practice more with coins in the next class, counting coins. The numbers 25 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 1 cent, and asking questions. Excuse me, do you have 10 cents? Excuse me, do you have 30 cents? So I'll see you in the next class. Bye.